have said.
I feel like I need to put a disclaimer that you don't live with me.
Yeah.
Noah does not live with me.
And welcome back to today's video. It's kind of like sad, but it's also really exciting. I have Noah back here. You want to turn it around? There we go. This is the last time you guys are gonna see him for a while. This is really sad. I also just emptied my portion of the apartment. So my room is so empty. Oh,
this is honestly the cleanest I've ever seen your room.
That's what my roommate said too, because it's always a mess. But I've only vacuumed 4 times since living here. I want to show you a little bit of like my apartment. Even though you guys have already seen it, I do have an empty apartment tour if you guys want to see more of it, because right now it's a mess, guys. Like the only part that's actually clean in this apartment would be my bedroom and then my bathroom, and that's it. Because I have all of my stuff that needs to go down to my car, and then my roommate's getting married this weekend. So today when we're filming this, it's a Thursday. This weekend my roommate's getting married, so it's like, it's exploding with wedding stuff. So after that, we were going to go outside. I want to walk you around the dog park, the car wash, the gym, the pool, all that stuff. It sounds a little bit bougier than it is. I've never really showed you guys the outside, only just because I don't want you guys showing up on my doorstep. But now that I'm moving out, I think we're good.
Now they're moving out. She doesn't care if you come here.
You can come all you want. I just won't be here. This is one thing that I've never showed you guys, because in case for some reason, I do actually have a lot of followers that live in Pittsburgh or Cranberry or Wexford, Pennsylvania. I've never really shown it because, like, let's say you do know what apartment complex I do live in. I don't want you to know exactly where my apartment is. But now that I'm moving out, I can show you guys my view. So right outside, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So right outside my bedroom window is this patio area. It's a little bit of a mess. But I get a really nice view of the pool, which is really exciting. It brings in a lot of light, so that's super awesome for filming. And you guys would think that this place is a lot more expensive than it is, but like we got such a steal, and I'm splitting it with a roommate. So it's super affordable. I'm gonna show you my bathroom now that it's actually clean. I don't think I've actually I think I did in my empty apartment tour, but then that's like the last you guys ever saw my bathroom because there's no windows in there, so it's really dark and hard to film. Here is the bathroom. It's pretty empty, obviously. I don't know. Yep, this is it.
This is definitely the cleanest I've ever seen this room.
I know. It comes off so yellow on camera, which is annoying. Yeah, so there's tons of storage. I still need to pack that up, but anyway, tons of storage.
I could fit in there.
Honestly? Do you want to try? I will be so impressed right now. And this is when Noah breaks it. Oh my gosh! You can't do it.
I can't bring my feet in.
I'm like super impressed.
Me too, honestly.
I think I was more worried about you breaking it, and then 2 days before my lease is up, and then I have to pay for it. They also have like extremely tall showers. How crazy is this? And an average shower curtain doesn't fit in here. Like you have to get like an extra long one. So this is my bathtub.
Nice.
Ta-da.
Ta-da.
That's about it. Now we're gonna head into, oh, I forgot to show you guys. A lot of you guys didn't know this, but we had a washer and dryer in here.
And by people not knowing this, she means that I did not know this until today.
Noah's been here so many times and he never knew that I had a washer and dryer in here.
Yep.
This needs clean. I need to clean this all out and get rid of stuff. When I say briefly, I'm literally briefly gonna show you this because this is kind of a mess. But this is my living room. It's a super, super messy room. Only just like, this is all wedding stuff, that's wedding stuff. My roommate, like everything, okay. So I'll come a little bit closer to say this, but what was super nice is like, I don't know. So I just always had a feeling that when this lease was up, I wasn't going to be here. I don't know why. I didn't know where I was gonna be. I was not planning on moving to Los Angeles. I just always felt like I wasn't going to be here. So me and my roommate sort of had this like deal that she would buy all the furniture out here. So she owns all of the furniture in the patio, all of the furniture in the dining area, the living room. This is all hers, like none of it's mine. But then it also is really nice for me because I am moving to Los Angeles, so I didn't need to like sell a couch, I didn't need to sell anything out here. That's also why I am fully packed and this is completely furnished. Here's my stuff chilling right here that I need to put into my car. I have my computer, and then it's a mess. It's a total mess. But then here is our kitchen. Like I said, it needs cleaned. I need to clean this tonight. Our beautiful fridge, that's also a total mess. Yeah, we're not going to be doing a fridge tour. And then this is the dining area. My roommate has all of her stuff out because she is getting married. But oh, I wish I could show you this, but I don't know if she would want me to. But the stuff is so cute.
It looks fantastic. Like, did she make and like design like all of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are just like the name things.
Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. I feel like she won't care. So like, for example, like this is something that she made. Like she's really good at calligraphy and all that stuff. The last thing I want to show you guys in this apartment is the view from out here. It's pretty much the exact same view as one in my bedroom, because my bedroom is literally right next to it. But I'm so happy with it. It's so pretty.
And then there's a door.
Yes, it goes out to the patio. I'll show you guys out here. Ta-da! This is it. This is about it. So
It's beautiful.
it is. I actually probably should go use the pool one last time before I leave, but I packed all my swimsuits, so that's probably not going to work. You know what? Instead of talking about it up here, how about we go head out there and I will walk you guys around. It's a little windy, so I don't know how the volume is and the sound is all gonna be. So this is where I live. It is Ascent 430 in Wexford, Pennsylvania. I usually just tell people I live in Pittsburgh just because it's so much easier, but it's kind of like north of Pittsburgh. So I'm gonna take you inside. It's definitely gonna have an echo in here for sure, but this is when you first walk in to the clubhouse. This is what you get. There's a TV here, and then we're gonna walk in here. And there's a little business section, which is super awesome if you're a college student and you're studying, or there's definitely a meeting going on in here because there's a computer, but you guys can take a peek. There's your peek. This has been this is like the best and the worst thing that's ever happened to me. Having a vending machine in walking distance to where you live, it is like awesome because if it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you just want to snack, like that's awesome. But at the same time, I probably spent way too much money here. This is the gym area. Luckily, nobody's in here, so we can film in here. Yeah, I don't know, it's a gym. What else? Noah, do you want to talk for this portion?
I've never used this room in my entire life.
We're gonna have Noah. Hold on, I'm gonna throw my keys. We're gonna have Noah talk about the gym.
All right. So
Wait, it's really dark.
So this is the gym. I personally have never used this room in my entire life, mainly because I don't live here. Courtney, on the other hand,
I've used it a few times.
Machine for squats, bench press, the presses, whatever you want.
He just doesn't even know what they're called.
Weights. You got the ellipticals, treadmills. It's got all the bougiest things that you could ask for in a gym.
Yeah,
Here.
that's about it. You can't forget the mats. We got the mats over here.
Also, it doesn't happen all the time, but occasionally parachute plays on the radio, so that's a good thing. Over here they have dodgeballs, so in case you're looking at it.
I don't think there's a dodgeball. Okay, but from here, I think we'll head out to the pool. No, I have to show you the main part of the clubhouse. There's restrooms in here, obviously.
Obviously.
And then
why
you
wouldn't
come in
there be?
here, I'm definitely gonna get copyrighted. I'm muting this, but this is a good song. And one of my favorite parts, this is a new addition, so I didn't even really get to use it. They just recently put this in like 2 weeks ago, or else your girl would have had a lot of free coffee.
Look how fancy this thing is.
It really is.
It's like touchscreen and everything. Like that's fantastic.
And then, oh, it's gonna be really bright. This is the pool area, so they have tons of seating here. The lighting has to be so bad out here. It's so bright. but I'm literally in the middle of packing, so we had to do this video now. The pool is so pretty. I love this. I'm definitely having flashbacks to whenever me and Noah filmed. What video was that? It was 24 hours without our phones, or 24 hours without technology.
Yeah.
The pool is super, super cool because there are water fountains, and then there's also tons of seating, but then there's also a grilling section over here. So there is this. I don't really do a whole lot of cooking, so whoa, that is hot. Woo, I didn't expect that to be on, but it is.
Okay, so we were gonna show you the fire pit area, and then someone, I didn't realize, I thought someone was just walking in our shop, but I guess they were going to go hang out in the fire pit area, so maybe I'll show you guys that later.
This is the car wash. Pretty plain and simple.
Self-explanatory.
Stuff to wash the car.
There's a
Stuff
hose.
to vacuum. God.
There's a vacuum.
Vacuum.
Everything you need to make your cars.
And then they also have car wash stuff. Everything that you're gonna need to wash. Yes, thank you. Everything you could possibly
You've never washed your car here, have you?
I vacuumed my car here.
Okay. You don't have to put that in. I just wanted to ask you about it.
Well, the thing is you gotta get the bucket. You gotta fill it up with water. I also can't get the hose to work. I know it does work because I've seen other people wash their car, but it doesn't work for me. Behind the car wash is the dog park. So tons of people will just bring their dogs down here and they can just like run around. Ascent 430 is really pet friendly, so there's always like dogs like running around. Okay, this is kind of embarrassing to say. What you guys don't know is my roommate is super like obsessed with dogs, and so sometimes we like sit in the dining room and we like look outside of our window and like see all the dogs playing. That's like super embarrassing, but we don't have a dog, so that's like the best we're gonna get. Okay, so I forgot to film an outro, but here I am. I am in the process of moving some stuff. I only have like 4 more bags that need to go down to my car, but my car is super jam-packed, so I don't know how that's gonna go. We'll figure it out later. Actually, we'll figure it out now because I need to get it all in my car because I'm leaving in about an hour. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This camera is really heavy to film on. Usually I have like my little vlogging camera. This is my big DSLR, so let me set this down. Anywho, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys. Wow, isn't that so crazy that the next time you guys see me, I'll be in Los Angeles? That's so exciting. Okay, anywho, bye!